Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEV's Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 46 of half yearly examination and today's SW number will be 32. Now my dear student, our today's topic name exercise 11, and from this chapter we shall solve example 8 as your CW and example 5 will be your SW. Example 5 will be your SW and this is SW number 32. So my dear student, let us start our class. Here you notice chapter 11, example 5, the frequency distribution table of the marks obtained in mathematics by 100 students of a class is follows. Find the arithmetic mean. A class interval frequency 25 to 34. In this class interval frequency is 5. 35 to 44 the frequency is 10. 45 to 54 in this class interval frequency is 15. 55 to 64 in this class interval frequency is 20. 65 to 74 in this class interval frequency is 30. 75 to 84 in this class interval frequency is 16. 85 to 94 in this class interval frequency is 4. My dear student, by using this table we find the arithmetic mean. My dear student, we have already solved a lot of problem based on this problem. So this is your SW, this is SW number 32. By using the help of lecture number 45 you can easily find out the arithmetic mean from this class interval and frequency distributions table. Okay, so now we shall find out mode. Before starting to find out mode, at first we know the definition of mode. What is the definition of mode? Definition of mode is the number which appears maximum time is the mode of the data. I repeat, the numbers which appear maximum time is the mode of the data. So my dear student, please notice 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many data are there? Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 data. Okay. Now notice 3 repeats 2 times, 5 repeats 3 times and the rest of the number is 1 times. Okay. So we can say 5 repeats the maximum time. So here 5 is the mode of the given data. Okay my dear student, now we shall solve example 8. The marks obtained in social science by 30 students in annual examination are as follows. Find the mode of the data. Here you notice 75, 35, 40, 80, 65, 80, 80, 90, 95, 80, 65, 60, 75, 80, 40, 67, 70, 72, 69, 78, 80, 80, 65, 75, 75, 88, 93, 80, 75 and 65. My dear student, this number is not arranged. So when we want to find out mode, at first we arrange the number in ascending order or descending order. I repeat, at first we arrange the number in ascending order or descending order. So here I arrange the number in ascending order. Okay, solution, the data are arranged in ascending order is given below. Here you notice 35, 40, 40, 60, 65, 65, 65, 65, 67, 69, 70, 72, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 78, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 88, 90, 93, 95. Now my dear student, from this presentation we notice 40 comes 2 times, 40 comes 2 times, that means 40 repeats 2 times. Then 65 repeats 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 65 repeats 4 times, then 75 repeats 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, and 80 repeats 8 times. So here you notice 80 appears the maximum time. So by the using of definition we can say 80 is the mode of the given data. So the required mode is 80. I hope you have understood. It is so easy math. If you understood, if you can understand this problem, then you can forget this. Okay. So please do this math carefully, and you can solve all the math based on mode of this chapter. I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is our today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. You must submit your HW in our school campus, okay, within 9 AM to 3 PM in every Saturday. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.